Hello, and welcome back to your English listening practice. I am very happy you are here today. Today, we will listen to two people. Their names are Anna and Tom. They are neighbors. They live in the same building. Anna and Tom meet in the morning, and they talk about their day. In this lesson, you will learn 10 useful words about daily life. Then you will listen to a conversation. Then you will answer some questions. And at the end, you will speak with me. Yes, you will speak. Do not worry if you do not understand everything. Just listen and relax. Are you ready? Let's start. First, 10 important words. Listen and repeat after me. Number 1, wake up. Wake up means you open your eyes in the morning, you stop sleeping. For example, I wake up at 7 o'clock every day. Number 2, get dressed. Get dressed means you put on your clothes. For example, I get dressed and then I have breakfast. Number 3, breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. You eat it in the morning. For example, my breakfast is bread, cheese, and tea. Number 4, take the bus. Take the bus means you travel by bus. For example, I take the bus to work every morning. Number 5, busy. Busy means you have a lot of work. You have no free time. For example, Monday is a very busy day for me. Number 6, tired. Tired means you have no energy. You want to sleep or rest. For example, after work, I am very tired. Number 7, free time. Free time is time with no work. You can do what you like. For example, in my free time, I read books. Number 8, go shopping. Go shopping means you go to a shop and you buy things. For example, on Saturday, I go shopping with my sister. Number 9, cook dinner. Cook dinner means you make the evening meal. For example, my husband cooks dinner on Friday. And number 10, the weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Most people do not work. For example, I love the weekend. I sleep a lot. Very good. Now, let's listen to Anna and Tom. Good morning, Tom.
Oh, good morning, Anna. You are early today.
Yes, I am. I wake up at 6 o'clock now.
6 o'clock? That is very early. Why?
I have a new job. I start work at 8.
I see. And how do you go to work?
I take the bus. The bus stop is near our building.
That is good. How long is the journey?
About 30 minutes. I listen to music on the bus.
Nice. Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, always. I get dressed, and then I have breakfast.
What do you eat?
Bread, cheese, olives, and tea. A big Turkish breakfast.
I am hungry now.
And you, Tom, what is your morning like?
Well, I work from home, so my morning is quiet.
You are lucky.
Sometimes, yes, but I am very busy in the afternoon.
Do you have free time in the evening?
Not much. I cook dinner for my family every evening.
Really? You cook every day?
Yes, I like cooking. It is my hobby.
That is wonderful. I am too tired to cook after work.
I understand. A new job is difficult at the beginning.
It is, but I am happy.
Good. And what about the weekend? Any plans?
On Saturday, I go shopping with my sister.
For clothes?
For clothes and food. And then we drink coffee.
That sounds lovely.
And you? What do you do at the weekend?
On Sunday, I go to the park with my children.
Oh, nice. Do they like the park?
They love it. They play football for 2 hours.
And you? Do you play too?
I try. But after 10 minutes, I am very tired.
Haha, me too.
Oh, look, your bus is coming.
You are right. I must go. Have a nice day, Tom.
You too, Anna. See you tomorrow.
See you. Excellent listening. Now 6 questions. Think and answer out loud. Question 1. What time does Anna wake up? Anna wakes up at 6 o'clock. Question 2. How does Anna go to work? She takes the bus. The journey is about 30 minutes. Question 3. What does Anna eat for breakfast? She eats bread, cheese, olives, and she drinks tea. Question 4. Where does Tom work? Tom works from home. His morning is quiet, but his afternoon is busy. Question 5. Who cooks dinner in Tom's family? Tom cooks dinner. He cooks every evening because cooking is his hobby. And question 6. What does Anna do on Saturday? On Saturday, she goes shopping with her sister. Then they drink coffee. Well done. How many answers were correct? Now it is your turn to speak. I say a sentence. You repeat it. Speak loudly. Do not be shy. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get dressed and then I have breakfast. I take the bus to work. The journey is about 30 minutes. I work from home. I am very busy in the afternoon. I am too tired to cook. I cook dinner for my family. On Saturday, I go shopping with my sister. I love the weekend. Very good. Your pronunciation is getting better. Now, a quick review. 10 words. Repeat after me. Wake up. Get dressed. Breakfast. Take the bus. Busy. Tired. Free time. Go shopping. Cook dinner. The weekend. Perfect. And now, your speaking challenge. I will ask you 2 questions. Please answer out loud in English. Use full sentences. Take your time. Question 1. What time do you wake up and what do you have for breakfast? Very good. Question 2. What do you do at the weekend? Do you have free time? Excellent work today. Remember, a little English every day is better than a lot of English one day. Practice these sentences tomorrow morning in your kitchen with your tea. Thank you for listening. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.